writing the Facebook ads way. That's what I'm saying. I'm not trying to create ways. I'm not trying to show people get people into a trend. I'm trying to get on that trend and jump all over it so I can ride it. Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up. If you try to do those platforms today, radio, television, Google, YouTube, even them that have happened only a few years ago, that opportunity is gone. It's not there anymore. If you try to grow your business using only Google AdWords, you're going to have to close that business because it's too expensive. It doesn't make any sense anymore. So it's not that, hey guys, I need you to wake up and go into the online world. The online world is composed of a lot of different things, and not everything works on it. You have to understand what works and what doesn't work. You have to understand where the attention is at. Historically, on the advertising world, opportunities have come and have gone every single time, throughout decades, throughout centuries. It's a challenge. Why? Because now I have my kids. My kids have everything they could need. I'm working on making them productive and for them to understand what it took me to be here, because I didn't have anything. I didn't have, growing up, like vacations. I had one single vacation my entire young life, all the way to age 21. I went to Disney World for 3 days with my dad and my sister. That's all. Nothing else my entire life. That's it. I got started by listening to people that I trusted, that I admired, that I respected for years, and I learned from them. And by me listening to them, I got to implement some things that I know they were implemented successfully, and I saw results myself. So it works. Believe it or not, training works and is the key to your success. If you train, you expand. If you don't train, you don't. As simple as that. Today, we have a unique era. Listening to radio, internet radio, podcasts is training. Watching YouTube videos is training. Watching some of my Facebook videos or anybody that you trust, their videos, is training. A lot of opportunity to get yourself trained and to be able to implement that training and see results. Lots of opportunities. So go ahead and train. I am overall, like I was explaining to you guys, a marketer. That's what I do. My obsession is not Facebook. My obsession is attention. What I want to do is learn how to capture attention. Okay, good. So if you want more business, it would be logical that you use the greatest communication platform on the planet. Guys, excuses have been fully wiped out because of technology. It depends on how bad do you want to get there. If you really want it, if you want to accomplish dreams and goals, then you have to work and put the energy behind it so you can get there. So much to capture. It doesn't make any sense that if we don't apply the right technology, we cannot get a part of it. So there's a lot for it. There's a lot of it for us to capture. And there's a lot of purpose for us to actually get into. Your products and services are important. And I want you guys to also have that viewpoint, because instead of complaining about how difficult it is, we should realize how unique the opportunity is. And in reality, most people don't even understand this opportunity. These guys right here, people that understand what's going on right now in the market today, are less than 1% of the population. Non-stop, obsessively, every single day, that's what I built, non-stop. Why? Well, because I became a ninja, right? What is a ninja? A person trained in ancient Japanese martial arts and employed especially for espionage and assassinations. That's exactly who I am. No, I'm just kidding. So the term stuck with me, right? So, okay, so I guess that what I gotta do is become a ninja, right? Let me tell you my definition of a ninja, okay? A ninja in our world, in our entrepreneurial world, is somebody that knows more than the rest of the world. In the end, what is all this about, right? What is all this business about? What is all this work about? It's basically all about being able to do what you want to do and being able to have what you want to have. I hate limitations. And what is my answer to that hate? I produce. It's a responsibility to put it in the hands of people, in front of them, and have them give you an opportunity for you to service them. In the social media world, it's the way to go about it, okay? Thank you for listening, guys.